Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain few terms associated with aspherical lens. Yesterday I have explained center of curvature and optical center. Once again I am going to repeat the definition of optical center. It is mentioned here the midpoint of aspherical lens is called optical center. It is denoted by O. Optical center, midpoint. This means if I have a concave lens, it is a convex lens. Here is a midpoint O. This midpoint is known as optical center. This means this is the common definition valid both lenses, convex as well as concave. Now second term is principal axis. Principal axis. The straight line passing through optical center and perpendicular to both their faces. You are seeing here a convex lens, a concave lens. A straight line XY is passing through the midpoint, that optical center, and it is perpendicular on both the faces, face number 1, face number 2. If anyone asks you how many faces are there of a lens, very simple answer, there are 2 faces of a spherical lens, may be concave or convex. Line must passes through optical center and perpendicular at this point, the line makes an angle of 90 degree. If any person, any student, draw a line like this. This line is passing through optical center, but it is not perpendicular at both the faces. So it never be a principal axis. So to be a principal axis, you must know the line must pass through. There are 2 conditions. First condition, line must pass through the optical center and perpendicular to both the faces. Clear? Now, principal focus of convex lens. Likewise, mirror. The definition of principal focus is different for convex lens as well as concave lens. First of all, I have to define principal focus of convex lens. It is a point on the principal axis where light rays parallel to the principal axis meet or cut or intersect, you can write, after refraction. It is real. This means principal focus of convex lens is real. You are seeing in the diagram, it is a principal axis, 2 light rays from this point parallel to each other and also parallel to principal axis, and 2 light rays just below the principal axis parallel to each other and parallel to principal axis. All these parallel light rays, after falling on the spherical lens, that means convex lens, intersect at a point F. So F is the focus. So it is clear here, it is a point, that means focus is a point on the principal axis. Here parallel light rays after refraction intersect. So F is the focus or principal focus of convex lens. If any person draw the ray diagram from this side, focus will be this side. So there are 2 focus, that is foci of convex lens. Now principal focus of concave lens. In a similar pattern, I have drawn a figure here, a concave lens and 2, maybe more than 2 light rays parallel to principal axis. After falling on it, what happens? You are seeing the light ray undergoes diversion. It gets diverged. This means no chance to cut the principal axis anywhere. When we produce backward, both the light rays meet at a point, that is the focus. So it is a point on the principal axis where light rays parallel to the principal axis appear to meet or cut after refraction. It is virtual because you are seeing in the diagram light rays are not intersecting the axis really. When we extend backward, it meets at a point, so it becomes the principal focus of concave lens. This means if there is a question, what is the difference between principal focus of convex lens and concave lens? Very simple answer. Convex lens has real focus, while concave lens has virtual focus or imaginary focus. Now, definition focal length. The distance between optical center and focus or principal focus is called focal length. This is the common definition valid both the lenses, convex and concave. You are seeing here OF, you are seeing here OF. OF is the focal length which is denoted by a small f. So this is the definition of few terms associated with aspherical lens. Thanks, that's all.